Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Sherry from Cherry Beauty Stuff. Hello everyone, I hope you're fine, you're good and healthy. And for today, OMG, I just received it today, and thank God I already found my look today. And if you're asking, my eyeshadow, that's the Madison Beer, which is my previous video. I hope I already filmed that. I mean upload. But today this is another collab. Yes, a collaboration from Stylevana. So if you don't know what is Stylevana, they are a one-stop online shop to purchase the trendiest Asian fashion beauty products. So this is it. They just sent me the name of the products that they will want me to do reviews, but I never searched them because I want this to like organic, I want to like, okay, so this is the products that I'm gonna try to test. I'm a sucker for Asian beauty products. I'm a sucker for it. I know I'm biased because I'm Asian. Yes, I'm Asian. I'm from Philippines. Represent. Yes. Ooh, my God. Look at this. All the goodies. Okay, so they sent me the Pure Lotus. This is Jeju Botanical Sunscreen. MIG. Actually, my sunscreen is Dr. Jart. And that is, I think that's from Korea. So I love this one, and this is Korean. Ooh, yes, sunscreen. Yes, by the way, guys, sunscreen is very important. It's even if like outside is cloudy, you still need to use sunscreen, especially on a cloudy days, because the sun is still there. It's hiding, but still there. And I have Dynasty Cream. What is this? I'm not sure. They're all Koreans. I have to research how to use this, but it is a Dynasty Cream. I have to search how to use that. And this is Nail Sleeping Lip Care. Oh, Lip Night Mask. Ooh, that is so cute. I never had a sleeping mask. I mean lip mask. But I will try that. What time is it? It's almost nighttime, so that's good because I'm gonna use some of this tonight. And this is, oh my God, Green Tea Fresh Emulsion. Green tea from Pure Jeju Island helps control excessive sebum for soft skin. So what is this? English, please. Oh, it is a toner. No, wait, it's not a toner. So how use? After using the toner, apply a suitable amount of face, then gently smooth a better absorption. So maybe this is like a serum, because it's, maybe it's a serum. Ooh, it's full size. So love that. And next is Frodia, derived from fruit. Blueberry hydrating serum. Yes, because I'm almost out of serum. I love serum. And made from Korea. Oh my God, look at this. I love the packaging. I'm a sucker for purple or pink. And OMG, I love Core RX. Course RX. Yes. Oh my God, give me a set. Oh my God. Okay, here. It is RX Brightening. Find your go-to toner. Oh, it's a toner. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look. Oh my God. I'm not really excited. I'm not excited for this. I'm not. I'm just kidding. This is Frodia. Oh, this is Frodia. We're the same company. This overnight mask. Yes, sir. A mask. Overnight mask. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So this one is RX Brightening Fine Your Go Toner by Coast RX. So they give me a toner. Is this no? Is this? Oh my god! I think this is the one. No, that's different. That's a different one. That is extra and nourishing, hydrating. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So I'm gonna use. That's a lot of products, but you know what? I will try to use all of them. So yes. Hello guys. So we are here in my bathroom, and I'm gonna use all my products in here, but of course I have my makeup, so I have to clear up this makeup, and I'll be back. Okay, our face is clean. So I already washed my face, and as you can see, I do have discoloration on my face. I have this is only pimples mark. I have a little pimples in here, and I do have pimples on the side. Dang, I think I need to wash my blanket and my pillowcase. But I'm gonna use from this. They give me 3 different toner. There are different toner. This is 2 samples, but I'm gonna use this big one from Cos RX. This is AHA BHA Vitamin C Daily Toner because I need some brightening from my face. So let's get it on. Okay. Oh wow. No smell. So I'm just gonna put it on my hand. I'm not using any more cottons on my to put like a toner for my face. So just look, slap your face. I'm just kidding. Not slap your face, but just dip it. Like, come on, get there. So, yep. Okay, so I'm done with my toner, and I will put cream, but I don't know which one I'm gonna use first, but maybe let's put this serum. So this is the Ferroda. I don't need to show you guys, just kidding, because I already do unboxing with it, but whatever. So yeah, I'm just put it in my hand. Oh, my smells so good. So let's put that in our face. Wow, smell good. More, please. More. So use your not appropriate finger. I'm just kidding. So just put it there. Holy cow, I can really see far. Okay, we're done with that serum, and I'm gonna use the green tea fresh emulsion. I don't know how you say the name. I can't. What's that? I don't know. I can't read that. But let's put it in our hand. Oh, okay. I really thought it's like brown, but it's only the bottle. But it has like a little bit color. Yeah. No smell. Love it. Love it. Oh my goodness. When you're like getting old, that's okay. If you have wrinkles, that is the sign of, that's what you call that? War stripe. Oh, war stripe. I mean, scars bottle. Scars bottle, yes. Ooh, yes. If I do it wrong, that is okay. You can tell me, down below. And I think the last step, not the last step, but second to the last step on our face is I'm gonna use this, can you read that? Yes, that one. Yeah, the Dynasty cream. So I think this is like moisturizer. This is I love about Korean beauty products because it doesn't have smell, especially if you have sensitive smell. Oh my god, that's me. Yeah, that is hard. So maybe I'm gonna try put this ketchup. I don't know. So no, let's spread this first and then let's put that thing. Okay, so why this is open? Okay, let's put this. Ooh, this is what I love about this roller thing. It's so cold, and I don't put them in the fridge. It's just always cold because it's a metal. So after my moisturizer, I think that is moisturizer, I just roll it like that, to make that big pores, make it small. We're almost done. Okay, before I put that overnight mask, I will use this Care Nail Sleeping Lip Care. So, you know that it's So, look at my lips. It's so dry here in Colorado. Actually, I'm not really good at drinking water, but I tried my very best. So, wait, I'm not sleeping yet. I'll put more later before I go to sleep. But I will put this Frodia. Oh, dang girl. Here. Oh my god. Let me get. Okay. So, why I love to smell everything. That's how I am. Okie dokie. Come on, girl. Get out of the way. So maybe I'm gonna use this every time I have makeup on. Okay. So it's like moisturizer, but it's a mask. Like, wow. Goodness. And believe me guys, I don't usually put a lot of cream every night. I'm human, okay? I'm human. So, but I try to take care of my skin, especially if I wearing my makeup that day. Like I moisturize my face and clean up after, and well, that's it. And that's it. I already used all the products that they sent me. So let's go back to Cherry Berry and the studio. So please read the description below because I have, I'm gonna put everything in there. It's so hard to remind myself what I'm gonna say because I'm so excited when I see all of this. So please read the description down below, the description box below. So thank you for watching guys, and always remember there's always someone who loves you. Shalom guys.